This is the pattern. Copy the size you're interested in. You can check and see with a hat that you know fits, and you trace that line. I am using a stretchy cotton jersey fabric. The right sides are together and the fabric is double. Make sure that it's stretchy this way when you lay out the pattern. Pin the pattern and add 1 centimeter in seam allowance. Transfer the notches to the fabric on the seam allowance with small notches. As the right sides are together, you pin the edges together. And then you use a stretchy seam on your sewing machine and you sew around it with 1 centimeter in seam allowance, but you do not sew where you have your opening. Turn the right sides out. Now the hat is going to be double, so you turn it halfway inside. You need to sew the opening shut, so you can turn it out again and then you just sew the opening shut. It's going to be on the inside of the hat, so don't worry. And once you have pressed it, it's finished. Make sure that you watch my video about how to make a textile print.